Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video here. Today we're going to talk about finding diamonds and how to do so, or how I do it, and my tips and tricks to finding diamonds. So first off, we want to go down. We just want to dig straight down, all the way down, pretty far actually, all the way down. Keep going, keep on going, keep on going. You want to go down right here. Actually, I normally go around 13 or 14. And then you want to just find an area, dig in. Make sure you have your torches with you. So just dig in like that. You can do 3 high or 2 high. What you want to do is you want to go over and leave 2 in the middle. And then do another row like that. That way, if you're on this side, you can see these blocks here. If you're in this one, you can see this one. You're not missing any blocks. If you do 3 in the middle, you're going to be missing that middle block. That could possibly have diamonds. Now, I know a lot of people say it doesn't. They could possibly do that. And then you just dig around just like that in each of the tunnels and keep on going and keep on going until you find yourself some diamonds. Just like that, guys. Look at that. Right at the beginning of our tunnel, we started digging down this way. Got some diamonds right here. I'm actually gonna go ahead and get my fortune. Go ahead and pick these up. There you go, guys. That's how you go ahead and find diamonds in Minecraft. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.